Today we're making a knife. Find us a piece of metal. I'm gonna take these two, our working end, and then I'm gonna weld a piece of rebar so I can work with it easier because it's so small. Tongs are a pain in the butt. Connected. Right now, just working on flattening out our piece, going for like 7 inches worth of blade here. We're gonna just work this out until it's flat. So my knife here, it's gonna go, so here's my blade. We'll go till about here. I'm gonna stretch it out till about here. And then this part, I'm gonna buckle in, make my guard. And then my handle is gonna extend, 4-inch handle. And then hopefully you can decrease some of this thickness here. Getting further and further. So we're ending today, going to eat dinner with family. This is what we ended up with so far. So we have our handle here, we're starting to shape that, and then we're working good on our cutting edge, this cooking butcher knife. It's gonna be sweet. Back another day, gotta go eat dinner with family. Day 2, we're back working on the knife. Today I'm going to work on getting the handle shaped out so we can get it about to here this long. Then I'm also going to try and stretch out this blade a few more inches and fix our little divots that are all inside of it from the hammers. Good day. Now I'm going to work my blade out flat, and I'll come back when it's time to shape up our handle. So I've shaped up my blade, my little cleaver blade, about where I want it, 7 inches or so. Now what you're going to want to do next is take care of this handle, because right now it's still just a blob. So we're going to take it out until it's about handle length. So now we got our piece heating up in there, handle first. We're going to start shaping out that handle. Now we're going to work on pushing our handle out. This is going to be very, very, very tedious. Take a very long time. But I'll come back when we come to something interesting. Wonky right now, but I took that flat and I started to cave it in, so it's going to be more of a cylindrical shape. So I'm going to keep working on that, and I'm going to make sure it gets nice and straight. got it rounded out pretty good. We're gonna quench in the water and hope it doesn't crack. And then we're gonna sand it down. We're gonna heat it up so it's all red, and then we're gonna quench it in the water for extra strength. Okay, we're gonna shut off the forge now. Okay, so overall, turned out pretty good so far. We have our cutting blade part, cleaver-like, and then our round handle turned out pretty all right. We got it nice and rounded, not perfect. It's my third knife. And then got our cutting edge. So now we're gonna clean up the look of the blade and clean this up and make it round in the grinding wheel. Okay, so to end today, our knife's looking like this. Tomorrow, I'm gonna polish it with some oil, and then we should be good to go. So I went ahead and finished the knife. I created a paracord handle because I decided to not go with wood this time for this knife, and I like how it turned out. This is just a simple paracord handle with it tied on the ends, double wrapped, and then you burn the very end two ropes together to create like a seal so it doesn't come undone. Thanks for watching. Anyone can make this at home, and we'll see you later.